Every year on the 5th of November, the skies over Britain light up with fireworks. But it all began more than 400 years ago with a man named Guy Fawkes. In 1605, he and a group of conspirators planned to blow up the Houses of Parliament in what became known as the Gunpowder Plot. Their goal was to kill King James I and restore a Catholic ruler to the throne. But before they could strike, guards discovered Fawkes guarding barrels of gunpowder beneath Parliament. He was arrested, tortured, and executed. Ever since, people have marked the day by lighting bonfires, burning effigies, and setting off fireworks to remember the night the plot failed.